Hey guys, welcome back to Otaku Niche. Today we have a new unboxing. It's been a while, I know, but I finally got this figure, so we're gonna unbox it today. Nezuko from Demon Slayer. This is a Aniplex figure, a 1/8 scale figure. Finally got it. It took like a year for it to arrive finally, but I blame that all on COVID. But whatever, it's here. That's all that matters. I still have another figure on the way. But other than that, I don't plan on getting any more figures. There's a couple I'm still eyeing, but I just don't have room for them anymore. So for now, I'm gonna take a break on figures. Maybe if I have plenty of room to put like a new display or something for figures, maybe in the future I'll start in collecting more figures. But for right now, I think I'm gonna take a break from them for a while. Cause just mainly it's just mostly out of no space and a bit of the money. Save some money for some other stuff. But yeah, but really I have no more space for these as of right now. So these are my last few I'm buying. Well, the last two that I ordered. So let's look at this Aniplex figure from Demon Slayer. See how well this came out. Because I heard there were complaints with the other figures from them. Aniplex is pretty hit and miss with their figures. There's always something people don't like about them usually. So yeah, we have here the front and on the top, on the side, kind of like blood, black blood or something, demon blood. Then we have the back. It's on Japanese. Then on the side, and at the bottom. You have instructions. Oh, her peg to connect it to the stand is right on her back. Okay, simple enough. I don't think I have to look at this. I get it already just by the little I see. Let's do it this way. Oh, they taped this. Give me a second. Alright, here we have is the stand, just a black stand, nothing special, very plain, extremely light, just, nothing special about this, very basic. And there's her little box that she stays in. Alright, here's a hole here, another hole over here. And this one goes on the top one, I believe. Probably like this, I'm guessing. I'll do like better close-ups in a bit. At the end of the video, I'll do some nice B-roll footage. Yeah, a little door handle here. You cannot open it. No, that would be pretty cool if you could, but no, you can't. It's hollow, but with no opening. All right, let's look at Nezuko. Trying to see how the paint quality is. It's okay. I mean, the material obviously is nice, but when you're paying so much money, you expect the paint job to match the price as well. And this seems okay. It's not bad, but it's also not that impressive either. Aniplex are usually pretty hit and miss. See like little paint drops here. They're kind of like dried up. Here we connect the peg. Let's see. Right. Alright, putting the peg was very difficult. It was kind of annoying. I'm not sure if it's really secure that well, but as long as you don't move it around, it should be fine. I wish it could have made that easier, because it should have. Alright, now we're going to do some close-ups, and I hope you guys enjoy. But before I go, I need to start recording. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading as much, but I will be streaming on Ultra Niche Gaming, either on YouTube and on Twitch. Probably like very soon. I don't know when I'll upload this video, but I'm thinking of doing it this Friday. Friday, Saturday. And then pretty much stream every day. Resident Evil 8, I'm thinking. Maybe some other games as well in the mixture. I do want to play Mass Effect. There's also Nier. Replicant. And Automata and much more, but that'll have to wait. I'm probably like 1 or 2 games that I might stream or upload to YouTube, and then anything else I'll probably stream it only on Twitch, certain games, but we'll see what I end up doing. But yeah, but on this channel though, I do need to record and edit some new videos soon, so hopefully I'll have time to do that during the next few weeks. But like I said, I'll be busy also recording and streaming, so we'll see. Hopefully, I'll be placing more orders soon on anime to do more unboxing on certain anime series. There are some limited editions that have been announced and for pre-order on Right Stuff that I still got to order. So look forward to that. I think by the second half of the year, I should be getting most of them. So I have a bunch of new unboxings. There's new games unboxings as well, limited editions that I want to get, and I'm going to unbox them here. So keep an eye out throughout the months, upcoming months, especially the second half of the year. That's where I'm going to have the most videos up. And yeah, and I have like one more figure on the way too. That's a surprise. I won't spoil it until the day of. But anyways, thank you for watching. Enjoy the B-roll footage at the end. And let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. You guys like this figure? Is it okay? Because I actually managed to drop the price on it though. I think I paid like $130 for this figure, I believe. I managed to get it cheaper, but I don't know. It's okay. She looks nice, honestly. I was expecting a little bit better from Aniplex, but for the full price, I don't know if I can recommend this. It's okay. It just depends how much of a big fan you are of the series. I still gotta buy this whole show on Blu-ray, so I'm just waiting for them to release like a complete collection on Blu-ray. Because right now they do have it in part 1, part 2, and I kind of want to buy the whole season in just in 2 parts. I kind of want to buy them all in one full set. Hopefully they'll offer something like that soon enough. Because I'd rather order it like that instead. Anyways, on to the close-ups.